What's up, guys? This is your man Gidkay once again. In today's video, I'm going to do a whole new different thing. So I'm going to unbox and then review the new Godox S2 bracket. Yes, which is very helpful. Yes. So without talking much, let's dive into it and let me open this up. Yes. This S2 bracket has lots of features than the old bracket, which is the S1. Yes. So the box is empty. This is all it comes in. Yes, I think this is a manual. Yes, showing you what this S2 bracket is capable of. So these are the images over here. Yes, it's also capable of attaching the Godox AD600. Yes, so mainly what this S2 bracket is about is it helps you attach your Speedlites or your lights to a Bowen's mount softbox or reflector or diffuser. Yes, anyhow you may put it. Yes, it's from Godox. Yes, and if you check the quality, the base is made out of metal, and then the upper part is made up of hard plastic. So I'm not sure it can easily break. Yes, compared to the S1. For the S1, you realize when you use it for some years, you see a crack over here, which wouldn't help you to mount your your S bracket on a stand or a C stand. Yes. So let me put this back. I think it has a silica gel. Yes, silica gel. It said don't eat it. Yes, make sure you don't eat this. Yes, just throw it away. It's not suitable for your system. I'm going to put this back in the box. Yes, and let's talk about this baby boy here. So you just have to twist the handle over here to able to move this. Yes, so this is where you mount it on a regular stand or a C stand. Yes, and then this bad boy can be able to attach on a Godox V1, Godox AD200, 300, 400, and 600 as well. So this is the tighten release knob. Yes, and then this is the release. Maybe if you have a softbox here, this is what you are going to use to release and also attach it to. I'll make a demonstration for you guys so you understand it better. And also you can take out the base. Compared to the S1, the S1 doesn't have this feature, so it's limited. Yes, so this one can be able to mount a regular speed light on top and then other strobes on it as well. Yes, so if you have a softbox or any accessory that does not have the Bowen's mount, you can purchase this and then use it. Yes, so let me demonstrate this for you guys. Yes, so let me tighten this knob, and also there's a space where you can input your umbrella softbox over here and then just tighten it up. So I'm going to open this a bit, and then I have a reflective cone here, so I'm going to use that as a demonstration. This is a 7-inch reflective cone. Yes, mostly I use it for my backlight, hair lights. Yes, so all you have to do is just check the knobs over here and then align it with the one that comes with the S2 bracket. Yes, so if you slap it on it, then you press. Once you give it a press and then you twist it, so a sound is going to come up, which means it has been locked. Yes, and there you have it. So if you have any light accessory, you can slap it in there and then use it. Yes, it's very firm, it's not going to fall off. Yes, so now let me bring in my speed lights. I have a Godox VA60 Mark II from Canon. For Canon, yes, sorry, it's from Godox, but for Canon, yes, Canon cameras. So if you're using a Sony, you have to go for the one with S, Fujifilm, Nikon, and the rest. Yes, so to attach your speed light to this S2 bracket, you have to release here to create a space in between. Just lock it there and then tighten it up again. Yes, it can hold it very firmly if you tight it well. Yes, so this is how, yes, this is how it looks. So you just mount this on your regular C stand or silver stand. Yes, anyhow. Yes, and it's very strong. Yes, so I'm going to take this off again. Yes, and this is the release button. So if you want to take this off again, you just raise it up, twist it, and then you can take it off. So this is separate, this is also separate. Yes, so let me place this somewhere. Yes, and as well, if you want to mount your AD600, just take this away and then move this all the way to the upside, and then you slap it in. If you also want to use your Godox V1, you can just release this. Yes, and then just put only this in there, and then you can put in your Godox V1, because the Godox V1 comes with a round mouth. Yes, and also you can mount or you can insert two speed lights, not the regular speed lights like this, but the Godox TT350 is smaller than the regular speed light. You can combine two and then insert it and just lock it. Yes, like I said, is the quality is very good. It's very good. It's made of high quality plastic and then a metal as well. Yes. So this is what I bring to you guys today. Yes, this is actually my first time doing a review. If you want to see more of this on my channel, kindly comment, also like and share. If you are new here, consider subscribing. You can go check out my other videos as well. Yes, and don't forget to check out our digital store. We have amazing stuff over there. We have Luts presets and so on, actions, everything you need is over there. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and also a store where you can get this to purchase. I'm sure it's available on Amazon and so on, so I don't think a link will be necessary. All you need is the name, is the Godox S2 Speedlight brackets, and you're good to go. Yes, so thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you in another exciting video like we did today, or another review and unboxing video. Yes, this is your man Gidkay once again. Peace out.